Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Thank you for coming back and hanging out with me today. Now, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. Also, check out some of our previous videos that we have on here. We have quite a bit. Surely you will find something that you enjoy. But in today's video, let's go glam. Let's talk about a glam bedroom. Hey guys, also do me a favor, join me over on Facebook at AndThenThereWasStyle. It is free to join our little group, and also follow me on TikTok, AndThenThereWasStyle. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I just have to admit to you, this is probably one of my favorite home decor styles. I am a girly girl through and through. I love bling, I love glam, I love fur, I love all things glam. And so this video was so much fun to put together and really look at all the different types of glam bedrooms that there are. Now, of course, there's like glam with the rhinestones and fur and all the shiny things, and then there's more of a like glam luxe, I call it, which is a little more subdued but still really high end. So many different options. It just all depends on where you lie on the glamometer. There are so many ways to decorate a bedroom, from modern and contemporary to classic and cozy. There's a style to meet every design, aesthetic, budget, and of course size. But for those who love a little extra flair for the dramatic, a glam bedroom is your ticket to a luxurious, upscale retreat. Glam bedrooms are defined by an element of sophistication, so picture in your mind mirrored accents, plush tufted headboards, fluffy rugs, and silky sheets that give your room really a hotel-like feel. There's no shortage of glitz here, just the right amount of extra. If you're looking to add some glamour to your bedroom, you've come to the right place. I have curated all of these inspirational glam bedroom ideas, plus you will hear some tips to provide your room with maximum sophistication and ambiance. Tip number 1, hang a stunning chandelier. Make a statement in your bedroom with glamorous lighting. Look for floor lamps that give off strong illumination with slim bases, as well as glamorous glittering chandeliers that take center stage. These can be hanging from the ceiling or even stand alone on a table if you prefer to conserve space. Tip number 2, add vintage molding. Something about a room with thoughtful, intricate molding makes it feel expensive. You can get the European look by adding floor-to-ceiling molding in one or all of the rooms in your bedroom. Now, I know what you're thinking, how expensive is that? But listen, stores like Home Depot and Lowe's have molding that you can basically just staple gun to your wall. Even some of the intricate pieces, just staple gun and do a layer of paint for a beautiful effect. Number 3, layer in tons of texture. From wallpaper with metallics to high pile carpets, it's most important to be daring with layering fabrics and finishes. Plush tactile fabrics like velvet and shag provide layers of texture that feel inviting yet beautifully upscale. Tip number 4, choose velvet bedding. If there is one fabric in particular that just screams glam, it's velvet. So why not add some allure to your bedspread by opting for the soft, smooth, and subtly shining material. For added drama, pick a duvet and matching shams in a luscious jewel tone. Tip number 5, add mirrors. Mirrors can reflect light and make the room brighter, so they come in handy for creating an illusion of a bigger space. Plus, they happen to be the most ultra glam. Whether you choose to hang mirrors above your bedside tables and allow them to act as pseudo windows, or bring in an oversized full-length mirror to lean against your wall, you can never have too many reflective surfaces in a glam bedroom. Number 6, don't be afraid of animal print. Yes, you can tastefully decorate with the animal print, and if there's one place to try it, it's in a glamorous bedroom. Choose a bold graphic print or something more muted and subtle. Either way, the recognizable pattern will instantly add excitement and refinement to the room. Number 7, make it monochrome. For the most luxe look, I suggest remaining committed to a neutral color palette to keep things just really serene. Some examples of this are layering beiges and grays that share a similar warm or cool undertone and color family. Number 8, pull in different patterns. Thoughtfully playing with patterns is another way to add just a bit of glamour to your bedroom. You can do this with your bedding, your wall coverings, rugs, and so much more. Give your glam bedroom luxe appeal with faux fur throws draped over sofas, chairs, and beds. Soft and luxurious, faux fur plays on tactile senses to encourage relaxation and inspire comfort. Number 9, create an accent wall. An ornate accent wallpaper provides dimension and creates a major focal point. Now, depending on which wallpaper you choose, it will just exude glamour and style. It will allow the bedroom to remain clean and simple, but small details like the texture on the wallpaper and the accents throughout just add extra depth to the room to help it stand out without adding a ton of accessories. That's really key, especially for people who don't like a ton of knickknacks and clutter throughout the room. Alright guys, so as I always do, please take a moment to comment your favorite glam bedroom down below. Now if it's anything like me, y'all, I had such a hard time choosing. I am just a fan of everything glam and bling. Let me know in the comment section about you. Alright guys, so I have already asked you to comment your favorite glam bedroom down below. If you want to see mine, it's this beauty right here. Honestly, I could have taken any of these rooms. Any of them. Just give me any of them. Please. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.